Peace, everybody. Welcome to another quick reflection on the Qur'an this morning to get the day off to the right start. Today we're going to look at chapter 5, verse 7. Okay? وَاذْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ عَلَيْكُمْ. The word here is وَاذْكُرُوا, which is zikr. وَاذْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ, the blessings, the favors of Allah on you. So Allah is saying, bear in mind, remember, learn from the blessings of God on you, the favors of God on you. Okay? Dhikr does not mean merely utter or state, which a lot of people think dhikr. No. Dhikr is to bear in mind. Okay? وَمِثَاقَهُ الَّذِي وَثَقَكُمْ بِهِ. And the serious contract which He contracted you with. So there is a serious contract to do with these blessings which have been bestowed upon us by our Creator. إِذْ قُلْتُمْ سَمِعْنَا وَأَطَعْنَا. When you said that we hear and we pay heed. So when we say, God, we heard you, we're going to obey you, we have a contract, a serious contract. And it's something to do with these blessings. Now, one of the questions or one of the learnings from this verse is that we have to find out what the serious contract is. It's serious. It's وَمِثَاقَهُ. It's not just something which doesn't matter. It's a serious contract. Where do you think this contract is going to be stated? It's in the Qur'an, which means we have to find out what that contract is so we can follow it. And we have to stay within the bounds of that contract. وَاتَّقُوا taqwa. وَاتَّقُوا the taqwa with Allah. So we have to stay within the bounds set by God. Okay? إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ. Indeed, Allah is aware, knowledgeable about what is in your breasts. What is in our breasts? Our heart, our desires. God knows what we desire, whether we are serious or not. He even knows whether we have looked up what this contract is. So if there's any lesson for us to take this morning, it should be to find out from the Qur'an what this serious contract is to do with the blessings of God. And perhaps we'll come back to that in a future video. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.